Most of us will experience times when we have work that requires intense concentration and focus, and notifications from all of the cloud systems, the Windows operating system, from Teams, all of these notifications can become really intrusive. So learn to manage the notification settings to work for you. So you can choose which apps display notifications and tune how they do this. So go to the Start menu, select Settings, then System, then Notifications. You may see notifications from apps and other senders, or you may see it as notifications and actions. On this page, you can choose which apps can or can't notify you. To define whether the notifications appear for each app, select an app and then change the options as you desire. These are your first level global Windows setting for notifications management. There are other areas where you need to switch on or off or control how and when notifications are set for you. We are all members of many teams now, so setting your team's settings for notifications is a really important one for managing time when you need to focus and concentrate. You can set your preferences for channels, teams, and types of notifications. For meetings, you can choose to mute notifications for all meetings or on a per meeting basis. To turn off notifications during all meetings, go to the three-dot ellipsis menu in the top bar of Teams, select Settings, indicated by the cogwheel, and that will open a new menu. Go to Notifications. You'll see there's a reminder to double check your Windows notification settings to ensure that you're able to receive notifications for Teams. And choose the style of notifications if you want to receive Teams notifications. And you can choose to play sound for incoming calls and notifications. Teams and channels, you can get desktop and activity notifications for all activity, where you can choose to reduce that to mentions and replies only. So that's personal mentions and replies to your messages only. Or you can customize what you get notified for and how. You get messages for chats, for meetings and calls, people, and for Viva Insights. So meetings and calls. If you go to Edit, you can mute notifications during meetings and calls. You can mute Start notification, the banner. Have that on or off. I have that on because I'm often busy with multiple screens, so won't remember or notice. Meeting chat notifications. I have these muted until I join. You go back to settings. For chat, you can edit that. If you need to leave a meeting and the chat continues in the background distracting you, you can switch this off quickly. So locate the chat on the side here. I'll use this team meeting option. Find the More menu by hovering over the chat. Click on that and you'll see Mute is the third option. You have quite a lot of personalization for notifications according to your needs, so learn to control those and manage those. We also have the option to set our preferences for notifications in Outlook. Use the web version of Outlook, the cloud version. So go to Settings, and under Settings you'll see View All Outlook Settings. Click that and it will open a new menu in front of you. Go to General and Notifications. And here you'll see the list of in-app notifications for when Outlook is open. And you can choose these to suit your personal preferences and even your preferences for a period of time. Never forget that you can readjust these to suit your needs across the week. You can toggle all notifications off and on for desktop notifications, for messages in inbox and messages from favourite people even. So again, like Teams, you've got a degree of personalisation possible here for your particular circumstances. Click Save, and those settings will be stored.